Hi, this is James with Blue Beetle Pest Control. Today we're going to talk about the prep for a bed bug heat treatment. First thing you're going to do is you're going to want to store fruits and vegetables, chocolates and carbonated drinks. Anything that food-wise that could possibly melt, you want to put those in the refrigerator. You also want to store pots and pans in the cabinets. You want to dry all clothing and bedding before the treatment. That will help to eliminate any bed bugs that you might have on those. And then you want to put the clothing spread out so that the heat can circulate around everything properly. We want to remove all unsecured items from the wall, including the things you have hanging with like the command strips. The heat will make the command strips not as sticky. You want to collect all loose papers laying around. We have a lot of air blowing around and the loose papers could potentially cause a fire. We want to unplug all electronics from the walls and leave the electronics in the unit because a lot of pests will like to get into those and hide. We want to move the furniture 2 feet away from the baseboards. We want to make sure that there's still room for the equipment to still be brought in. 2 feet away from the baseboards will help the air circulate around the furniture. And we're gonna turn off the AC units so the heat isn't fighting the AC. We're gonna deactivate the security system and the smoke detectors. I'm also gonna deflate water beds and air mattresses. We recommend removing the light switches and the outlet covers. It is something that the technicians can do when we get there, but it is really helpful if you guys get that done for us. Items to be taken out of the unit or home before the treatment is going to be compressed gases, gasoline, propane, butane, ammunition, black powder ammunition, aerosols or pressurized cans like hairspray, cleaning products, bug sprays, spray paint, or asthma inhalers, lamp oil, fuel or food warmers, solvents, sleep apnea machines, wax materials like candles, crayons, plastic window blinds, musical instruments, picture frames, indoor plants, and any valuable items. We also want to remove any wine bottles. All people and pets must vacate the home for at least 8 hours. Infants, seniors, pregnant women, and anybody with any respiratory conditions are encouraged to stay out for 24 hours. And the aftercare for the bed bug heat treatment would be to vacuum. You're gonna wanna vacuum as close to the baseboards as possible. You're gonna wanna vacuum the seams and the folds and the cracks and crevices of all furniture, including mattresses, chairs, couches, couch cushions. You wanna do that, I recommend about once a day until you're not seeing any activity. You also wanna continue to launder all bedding and clothing in the dryer on high heat. And that was James with Blue Beetle on teaching you how to prepare for a heat treatment.